क्राउन स्कूल की सिल्वर जुबली तकारीब बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाई गई, जिसके मेहमान खुसूसी प्रोफेसर एच अलीम बादशाह थे। प्रिंसिपल आतिफा मातुल खदीर इमकाम बीएड ने तमाम मेहमानों को खुश आमदीद किया। क्राउन स्कूल का क़याम साल 1998 में अमल में आया। 25वां सिल्वर जुबली जश्न मनाया गया। इस मौके पर साइंस की नुमाइश 27 और 28 दिसंबर को अहतमाम किया गया। 29 दिसंबर को इनामात की तकसीम का प्रोग्राम हुआ, जिसके मेहमान खुसूसी प्रोफेसर अलीम बादशाह मौलाना आज़ाद नेशनल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी हैदराबाद ने इनामात तकसीम किए और आखिर में प्रिंसिपल आतिफा मातुल खदीर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्राउन हाई स्कूल काजीपुरा हैदराबाद ने शुक्रिया अदा किया।
A foundation school aiming for civil servants, IAS, IPS, doctors, technocrats, engineers, and many lawyers and many other professionals. With a strength of only 35 students, which we have initiated. Years rolled on, and Alhamdulillah, we have produced thousands of students excelling in all educational fields all over the world, with strength of almost 1,200 students today. From the humble beginning, the school has an aim of providing the best quality education, nurturing the students in all fields. The school strives to achieve all-round development of the child by providing daily linear classes, co-curricular activities, games, TV time, and daily Zuhar Namaz. Every Friday, we organize Noori Mehfil. Many of the students take part in this activity. They give speeches, Naat Sharif, and they have ample knowledge of Islam, and they give speeches and they motivate other students. And I'm sure the videos must have reached the parents also. They might have seen the videos of the children of Noori Mehfil every Friday. In this way, we are encouraging our students in this worldly education as well as the daily knowledge. We have derived immense knowledge of Islam. The children have derived immense knowledge of Islam and at such a tender age. Crown Hifz Academy was started almost 5 years back, and Alhamdulillah, now 45 students are taking the coaching of Hifz section. The first Hafiz of the Quran of the Hifz Academy, Muhammad Murtaza Ahmed, and the next, the only child I can say that now at present, who is completing her Hifz within 16 months, Ruveda Odisha. Give a big hand of you. She joined last year in July. She joined the school of Hifz, Academy of Hifz in July last year, and Abdullah, by next month she is going to complete, almost 16 months she is going to complete Hifz, and she is very perfect in Hifz. Not that she is just reading and completing it, but you can ask her from any angle, from any para, from front to back or back to front, but she is very perfect, and that is a gift of Allah Ta'ala which has been given of her, and I'm sure the parents might have been very proud of her, as we are also very proud of the girl who is completing 16 months. And I hope that it inspires every parent, and please make sure that the next your children also please join in this class. I'm sure the strength of kids will be increasing day by day, year by year. I appreciate the dedication and the commitment of all the teachers and the students who contribute for the success of the school, and I wish them to continue in future. Next, coming back to the education exhibition, Silver Jubilee Celebrations, I am very proud to announce you today that the exhibition was a success. Though we had a very short time for the preparations, we were just thinking of postponing for the next month. But since we had thought that December is the best month for us to do that, and within a week I can say that almost all, even some students have joined last one day before also. Because the parents' desire was that each child should join, and they were wishing that the child should be in the exhibition, participant of the exhibition. So we have joined, but they have done excellent. I can say that I am proud to announce that the exhibition was a remarkable one among the other schools, which I shouldn't mention, but still I am so excited that I want to mention that. Such type of exhibition I don't think I have done in this place. And I appreciate all the teachers and the students, parents also for the struggle, and it was appreciated by one and all those who came and visited here. Of course, you can say might have seen the working models or the first floor, second floor, how the children have done it and how they do the explanation, and they were not getting tired at 3:30 also. And every parent they were calling and telling, please, sir, listen to us. Please, ma'am, listen to we want to give the explanation. So this shows how much they were keenly interested and so in their they were completely engrossed that activity of the project which they have done. And of course, the confidence of the students is paying through the skills. The annual So I started school almost 25 years back with a strength of hardly 35 students. Gradually, every year हम थोड़े classes upgrade करते रहे. So the strength of the school right now is 1200 with a staff of almost 50, and we have other non-teaching staff also. In academics, especially, we had a very excellent result. This school is striving बहुत ज़्यादा focus for overall development, and the area is Qazipura, Shalibanda. So maximum of the students who are here, they are from underprivileged families. यानी हम उन लोगों के लिए एजुकेशन बेस्ट एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करें जिसके लिए फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, पेरेंट्स को अवेयरनेस नहीं है, तो उन लोग को इनवाइट करके उन लोग को हम ट्यूशन देते कि हाउ टू मेक द फ्यूचर ऑफ योर चाइल्ड इन द बेस्ट वे. तो कीपिंग व्यू पूरा दीनियात का अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी हैव डेली दीनियात क्लासेस जिसमें हम लोग कुरान के मखारिज सिखाते, कंपलसरी पीरियड होती है. इट्स एन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल बट स्टिल इसके अलावा भी हम लोग हर एक्टिविटी कराते हैं. यहाँ पर एक कोकरिकुलर पीरियड होती है जिसमें हम लोग टीवी टाइम देते हैं हम लोग को, फिर गेम्स पीरियड होती है वंस इन ए वीक, एंड डेली जोहर की नमाज हमारे पास स्कूल में हमारे असेंबली हॉल है और जो है ना ऑडिटोरियम है जिसमें हम लोग वहाँ पर जोहर की नमाज पढ़ाते हैं. और एवरी फ्राइडे हमारे यहाँ स्कूल में नूरी महफिल होती है जिसमें बच्चों को दीनी तालीम देने के साथ साथ बच्चों को सबके सामने जो है ना यानी बयान करने का, स्पीचेस देने का, उन लोग को जो है 3 days बैक हम लोग 27 दिसंबर 28 दिसंबर एजुकेशन एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे, सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेशंस. और आज जो है ना क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी था जिसमें हम सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो एजुकेशन एग्जीबिशन पार्ट लिए हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं, मॉडल्स बनाए हैं, उनको हम लोग इनवाइट किए पेरेंट्स के साथ. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सबको जो है ना अवार्ड दिए गए हैं और तकरीबन 250 स्टूडेंट्स गॉट द प्राइजेस एंड द पेरेंट्स वर वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम श्योर दैट इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट अ लॉट उनके फ्यूचर के लिए. और ऐसे एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में मैं चाह रही कि हर किस्म की डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए और पेरेंट्स आर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि ऐसे एरिया में हम हर चीज़ का ख्याल रखते हुए बच्चों को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. और एकेडमिक्स में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे स्कूल के कई सारे बच्चे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड हैव गॉन, द मेनी हैव कम अप फॉर डॉक्टर्स, engineers, lawyers. One of our students, they are in US, UK, all over the world, so they have done excellent. And inshallah I'm hoping कि अब ये भी जो जनरेशन है हम जिसको हम बेहतरीन तरीके से हम उनको नर्चर कर रहे हैं, so surely they will come out in flying colors with the good professions in future. Shall I say? Mrs. Atifa Amtul Khareed, I'm from BA, principal of Crown High School, Qazipura. Alhamdulillah, I'm running this institution for the past 25 years. The first year which I started school, the strength of the school was nearly 35 students, and year by year we started upgrading each class Hindi.